This segment of the tour is showing the application of the protective nets. Uses like a screen for sun protection, hail protection, and also certain pests. This application will cover the entire plantation in the next 3 or 4 months, and this is a very important component of increasing production and also getting ahead of the game as far as climate change is concerned. Substantial investment by the company, but this will certainly improve the tree health and ultimately the production. Main natural water resource, that is an underground well, which is an aquifer also, and we use this in case we need extra water in a certain location. It's connected to our pumping stations and so forth, but as you can see, we have a lot of water here, and this is now the dry season of summer. So this is very critical to the plantation, and we are very fortunate to have this, and we use our water very sparingly. We have equipment that tells us what the humidity is and how much we need, so we're constantly trying to conserve water.
I have to tell you, I'm hugely impressed. They're very professional. Everything is on par. Everything you told me is exactly as stated. Look at how nice, clean, no weeds.
No, nothing.
The systems are going, everything is sprayed. It's excellent.